Dear colleagues, it is a great pleasure for me as President or Rector of Stockholm University to join you today, at least virtually, at University College Dublin. I'm convinced that you are having fruitful discussions, and I'm very sorry that I wasn't able to join you in person this year to deliver this short address. With its unique structure, UNICA has the capacity to connect member universities and to reinforce common values of democracy, social understanding, and global collaboration across the European continent. Ever since 1990, UNICA has continued to highlight changes and new challenges in order to find solutions to the latest developments and demands of strategic change in university research, education, and management. The number of active working groups with various initiatives and events indicates that UNICA is a flourishing network of unceasing relevance to its members. To mention only one example, the UNICA Student Conference has been much appreciated among students at Stockholm University throughout the years. With its more than 30,000 students, 1,400 doctoral students, and almost 6,000 staff members, Stockholm University works actively to develop and increase its international collaboration, and UNICA has played a solid role historically and continues to do so for the future in this work. So, with a firm conviction of UNICA's great relevance and importance, I am now both pleased and honoured to invite you all to Stockholm next year for the 33rd UNICA General Assembly Seminar and Rectors Conference to be held on 14th to 16th of June 2023 at Stockholm University. Let us continue to share ideas and values and to join forces in strengthening European higher education, research and collaboration. My warmest welcome to Stockholm.